Hello and welcome. In this video, we bring to you a 3-bedroom shipping container farmhouse designed from two 40-foot shipping containers. Stay tuned for a comprehensive analysis of this modern design. Welcome back. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. In this modern farmhouse design, we've used two 40-foot shipping containers. The containers are placed parallel to each other with a 4.5 meter gap in between the two containers. The containers are used to accommodate the utility spaces, while the space in between the two containers is covered in a shed-style barn roof to create an open plan living space. The shipping containers sit on an elevated steel pier foundation. The containers are elevated off the ground to keep them away from moisture and to also create a height necessary for an outdoor deck. The house has got two decks, one at the front which acts as an entrance porch and one at the rear of the building which acts as an outdoor extension of the living space. So what are the salient features we've managed to accommodate in this amazing shipping container farmhouse? From the entrance porch, you get into an entrance lobby which allows you to access a cloakroom on your right, which is ideal for your guests, and you can also access the master bedroom on your left. This lobby creates a sufficient privacy gradient for the cloakroom and also for the master bedroom. From the entrance lobby, you get into an open plan living space comprising of a cozy lounge space. We also have a dining space that can seat up to 6 people. From there, you find an open kitchen next to it with adequate storage space both overhead and under the counter storage. We also have a breakfast island that can seat up to 3. Next to it, we have a small galley laundry space that is accessed from the kitchen through a sliding pocket door. We also have the private spaces of the house, which comprise of 2 bedrooms with a common bathroom. One of the bedrooms can serve as a guest bedroom and the other as a children's bedroom. The master bedroom on the opposite side is ensuite with adequate wardrobe space. The containers have been left in the original form with the original colors and markings to help you save on the cost of painting them afresh. Otherwise, you can explore different finishes or check out our previous video on the types of finishes that are used on shipping containers in the description below. For the interior design, we've tried to maintain a cozy modern interior, and we've used different materials like timber cladding for the ceiling and also for the walling inside the open plan living space. We've used white and light colored finishes for the interiors to help us minimize the claustrophobic feel of living in a container box. If you like different types of finishes for your interiors, you are encouraged to explore them appropriately. Don't forget to also apply insulation on your shipping container spaces because they're made of steel, and therefore you need to ensure comfort is given priority to make the spaces habitable. If you like this design and would wish to fabricate one as a DIY project, or you would want to give it to your builder to fabricate it for you, you can contact us on our website sheltermode.com or purchase the blueprints on our website by clicking on all floor plans, and you proceed to get yourself one. What do you like about this amazing modern farmhouse design? Kindly let us know your opinion by posting in the comments section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe, and see you in the next video.